Hello everybody, it's 10:52 and, 10:52 and now 47 seconds on September 7th, and this is the main drawing for the two Spider-Man 252 slabs. Over here on the left are the 18 filled spots. Barney won the mini, so he wins the final 4 spots in the main, which were 10, 11, 4, and 1. Whoever comes in first place in this will win the higher grade slab, the 9.2. Whoever comes in second place will win the other slab, the 8.5. Okay, so let's quickly roll our 3 dice. I'm going to try my best to get these out in today's mail. Number is 10. And away we go. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here is the final one. 10. Spot 18, Kyle Perkins. Congratulations, he gets the first one. Barney Stars, without the mini win, spot 14 gets the other one. Time is 10:53 and 50.